when I belong museum, so we cater from 6 to 96, since yung storyteller natin is magkapatid na bata. So, one thing that is good about this museum is English-Tagalog. Which I like, kasi ako may 5-year-olds na ako, medyo struggle yung pagka-Pilipino or makabansa. Hirap na hirap, yung kayo manggi-mami, what is kayo manggi, ano yung natamtaman. So, at least dito, si Aina siya sinabi, pag sinabi ni Nami na pusit, sabihin naman, sweet, yung gano'n, para lang makakatch up din sa mga bata na hirap naman din makaintindi ng Tagalog. Okay? So, for today po, we're gonna be, JR will guide us with the
medyo pass na lang kami na.
Oh, sure.
Sure, I'm on one of the moment that they get in here, so they will be home here. Home
Yes.
area.
Yes. Kumbaga dito, start na
We're
lang.
like talking about like,
So, we're going to feature po muna 3 modules for today. Sir.
Guys, as for the list of start, so welcome po sa Idol Museum. Okay po. So, yes po. So, ayun po, we'll do custom lang po. So,
Yes po.
selfie down. Selfie. Selfie down.
Ulo.
Selfie starts now.
Hey there, my name is Aina, and welcome to the I Belong Museum, where your yesterday's tomorrow is today. We are featuring exhibits from the world-famous Smithsonian Institution of the United States of America. And it is the world's largest repository of artifacts, education, and research data with 19 museums, including the National Museum of Natural History. The Smithsonian was founded in 1846 with funds from the Englishman James Smithson for the purpose of increasing knowledge. I Belong Museum is my home, where I belong. How about you? Where do you feel that you belong? Here, we will unveil our common story, our shared past, our evolving present, and emerging future. Mine, yours, and our stories together. I am here to guide you, to rediscover and celebrate this most amazing shared journey of living through our past, present, and future of humankind. And this common history is a shared accomplishment of both our successes and failures, mistakes and victories. Is what I'm here to play back to you as memories, oh, as many, many memories, somehow a mixed bag of unpleasant ones and greatness. And guess what? What I find this common story is all about is simply, this is our story. Something important to be reminded of for ourselves and your future generations to come. This is what I belong to, but more so, how you belong and where we all come together to belong. This is your story, living, ever-evolving, growing, dynamic, complex human existence is part of your legacy, and this is where you belong. So, welcome to I Belong Museum, where your yesterday's tomorrow is today. To enjoy our shared experience, I would like to remind you that all mobile phones be kept in silent mode. Please refrain from talking and receiving calls. However, you can use your phone to take pictures, lots and lots of pictures, but please don't use flash photography. And in case of any announced emergency, kindly follow the exit signs in an orderly manner. There are no toilets inside the exhibit, as well as no food and drink is permitted. And if you are feeling unwell, kindly approach our staff. Thank you.
Mahaba ang battery.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
So, this area at the beginning. So, we're going to have a sneak peek of the Mojo tour.
Dito po yung kids po, while watching the ADP po, actually presentation, they can sit po here.
So, that's what we did earlier. Medyo paano mga bata na rin.
Net theory, light. This is good.
So, yun po yung sneak peek natin for the Mojo tour. Yes. From Smithsonian Artifacts po yan. And then, aside from that, meron tayong visual presentation. May visual presentation, yes ma'am, over there po. If video mapping tayo, so, discuss niya kung ano yung yes.
Also, ma'am, here, while watching for
So, human evolution yan. Discussions, okay. Also mention. Yes. So, as well as this one, lahat po na nandito.
Mosasaurus.
Tree of life. Tree of life, their heritage and discussion.
Megalodon.
Pwesto.
Hey!
Sino magpa-picture?
I miss you! Oh, Sir Ben, why are you here? Sir
Picture
Ben.
pa kami ko.
Oh my...
Sige po, no problem po.
Guys, come here na, Arna. Pasensya na kay Ma'am Marpa.
Careful lang po.
Wow.
So, dito po, mas civilized na yung mga tao. I-discuss dito,
may
may video
papalabas
mapping
yung
tayo. Kids lang, if they want to.
Parang yung kanina.
So,
Kinuha.
from here to there po. Yun sa may mga trees lang. So, dyan, yung modern science na. Meron tayo modern science and as well as the technology. Yes. So, ano na to, ma'am? Modern na dito. So, nakikita na may mga cellphone ng gamit yung mga tao, as well as may television na, may entertainment, and modern science.
Picture kita dyan, Sir Ted.
Yes, yes. Theater lights natin.
Sabi ko si Avatar.
Avatar.
So, we go on to the next motion naman po.
Pa-Avatar na tayo.
So, this is the ancient and Greek civilization. So, we also have the Book of Psalms. Yes. Yan, sir.
Book of College.
How do you pronounce it?
Yung mga ganyan.
How do you read that, sir?
How do you pronounce it?
Papi.
Paano kang papay? Depende sa translation.
Ito may ginagamit nila ano noon.
Stella of Isenus.
Mother Perpetua, no?
Pwede pang bilhin. Hieroglyphics.
Smithsonian artifacts. Yeah. Tapos ito naman yung Stella of Hatia. Yan, ma'am.
Stella. Kasi Stella.
Papyrus and papyrus. Tehilim.
You can read that as papyrus. You can read it papyrus.
Yes.
Kasi Greek word yan.
So, welcome to Chinoy.
Ah, Chinoy.
Chinoy, Chinoy. I like. Yes, ayan na. This party is Chinese and this party is Pinoy. So if you, it's Chinoy. Chinese.
Yes.
Ni hao.
So, yan, sasabihin yung opium bed. Tapos how express yung ating
Ay, oo nga. Okay,
Chinese
good.
heart.
Oo.
Yung Chinese heart, ma'am. Kasi limited na yan. Yes.
Oo.
So, Asian Philippine Border Trade. So, yan yung baybayin.
Baybayin.
Maganda yung baybayin. I can write that.
Bed nila kasi
4 is cowrie shells.
naging legal
Ama namin sa
Bulol.
baybayin.
naging legal kasi sa China yun.
Bulol.
Kaya natalo sila na
Bulol.
We go to, ano naman, mag-British naman tayo.
Sa vowels.
Yes.
So Industrial Revolution. Featuring po steam engine. Means called po Puffing Billy. One of the important invention po during the Industrial Revolution. And until now po, in Great Britain, gumagana na sa good condition.
Yes. So, gusto ko videohan ko kayo, pwede kayong tumayo dyan. So, papaganahin po namin yung puffing billy.
Sige, dali.
Video tayo. Kahit ano lang, sir.
Mga
Few seconds.
economies. Ayan na
Sige, hilera po sila. Ano, on the count of 5, ha?
Naka-video na po yun.
Ah, naka-video na. Sige, sir.
Iwan na yung mga hindi kasama dyan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Saan?
Sino ba yung nag-perform? Hindi.
Semi.
Wala kasi nabi sa akin. Napupunta sila doon eh.
Right there. Oo nga ba?
So, dito naman, since tapos na yung World War I, so they try to, ilang minutes to? Di ba? Ano lang to? 3 minutes lang to, 3 to 4. Ayan. So, pinapakita na dito kung ano naman po. Okay, watch your step.
Sa mall na.
Kawat sa mga.
Lista tayo.
Sabi ko na sa mga
So, this, ang setup nito is in the US. So, meron din po audiovisual presentation dito. Tapos kung paano nag-start yung mga tie-dye, tsaka yung mga flower power. So, dun sa sumikat. Okay? So, on the next module is also the continuation po nito, the PTs po. But they can already take pictures now on this first motion, second motion of each.
Ilang motion?
You have 7 motions now. On your right side, you'll see very much
Si Johnny, si Georgie, si Polly.
Pangalan ng ano, ma'am?
Mga aso. Mga...
Sabi sa main phase 1. Meron din, sir, yung mga...
Bigla.
Meron pa mas malaki, di ba?
Oo, meron pa akong
Ala, sarap! Lydia's lechon! Ay, lechon!
Pero sponsor ba?
Simula ang lechon na ating mesa. Sino nagpakilala sa akin ng lechon?
Kasi one-sided na lang sa
So, ito, sample products for Indonesia. We have the Golden Fiesta, locally, tapos they also have Datong Puti, Mac Tomaso. Tapos lechon, ayan. Lechon flakes, may lechon tapos. Kasi caramelized. Ako buha! Pero sabi naman ni sponsor ko para baka coffee. Matapat kayo dun sa araw ng lechon. So, ito naman, para it's correct. Sari-sari store style ng coffee Filipino. Shot pa nga, pwede pa. Kasi dapat may gara-garapon, tapos meron hopya sa loob ng garapon. And then we have the contemporary living, which is on the living. Compact na lahat. We don't have this. Okay.
Soviet Institute's National Museum of Natural History presents Cell Phone, the Unseen Connections. Our cell phones hold more than we realize. It is almost impossible to capture in a single word the dramatic influence cell phones have on human life. But many of us
And then over here naman, on your right side,
to the natural world and an unseen global network of people, labor, infrastructure, even expressions of identity, culture, and belonging.
Yung pinapamemorize dati sa amin.
Yes. Tapos bibigyan ka ng blanco.
Oo.
Kasi ilalagay mo.
Sarado ko yung dati.
Hindi naman complete. Ay, napakabisado sa'yo. Tapos yung atom number, yung ganito.
So for sure, memorize mo yan, ma'am.
iPod. iPod Touch.
Pero sa bahay natin buka lang.
So for sure, naabutan niyo ba yung page?
Naabutan siguro ng edad ko.
Oo, naabutan ko
pero
to.
hindi ko... Oo, ito.
Yung ano sir, yung pager or beeper sir.
Fax machine, nakita ko yan. Tsaka camcorder. Ang fax machine. Ay, nakikita ko lang.
Ganyan sa bahay. Ay, yung mga ano. Mga memory card.
Yan. Ito, yung first mo,
Ayan din.
Canada 5110.
Ano ka ng memory card?
No, it's not. It's more Mira. Diba 5510? 5510 o 5110, diba? Magpinauna. Ang laro last name. Yes, tapos papabago mo yung edit.
spacing pa.
Diba? Hindi ka na rin ko.
SIM card na
Tsaka note, ma'am. Walang 10 pesos na. Walang pa.
piso per piso per
Next.
text.
Tapos 8 or 9 pesos per call.
Fuji, matanda.
Fuji na.
Di ko maganda yun.
Wow, I like.
So, sa area naman,
I like it. Ang ganda.
CI na.
Grabe naman, ang dami. Grabe yan. What can you do with this?
Oy, pula naman.
All cell phone uses are cultural. Lahat ng paggamit ng cellphone ay may kinalaman sa kultura. O sige, balik na tayo sa meaning ng emoji. In this picture, are commented from me to you.
It's all good.
The Sassy went global in 2010.
This part is in line 8 with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is the SDG number 12, Responsible Consumption.
Ay, wait.
Tayo maging reporter, kung yun ang gusto mo.
Ayun na, Sir Ken. Go na.
So on this last motion naman po, so we're going to apply na ma'am yung AI.
Go na po mga ito.
Si?
Hello po.
Si, ano po pala? Direct Empoy?
From what school?
Director.
From what school po kayo?
Mother Pepper.
Ano mga constituent natin? High school? College?
Kinder to senior high po. Senior.
Yun, sige. So meron tayong i-offer sa kanila for the children's, mga cartoons, Disney Princess, superhero, so on and so forth. For now, gusto ko ng volunteer para maging news anchor. Sino gusto?
Sir Justin.
Sir,
Ayoko.
Alam pa natin si sir.
Ay, kasi ginawa ko. Kumanta.
Sabi palakpak, diba?
Ay, sorry!
Ano bagay yung Merda jacket? Bagay yung jacket.
Oo, magpapili ba?
Alamit.
Okay, sir. Sir, meron tayong babasahin na agent board, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello po, gano'n, sir.
Sir, ano pangalan natin, sir?
Breaking news. Kasi parang magbasahin mo.
Ha?
I-video ko, sir.
Justin. Magpalakpakan si Sir Justin. Sir Justin, okay, run lang tayo sa ha. So, nababasa ko lang na maayos. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas. Patuloy na nakakaranas sa ilang
And cut. Maraming salamat. Okay, rolling. Audio. Recording. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas. Patuloy na nakakaranas sa ilang bahagi ng bansa ng matinding epekto ng bagyong kasalukuyang nananalasa sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa ulat ng pag-asa, nagdadala ito ng malakas na pagulan at hangin sa Luzon. Suspendido na rin ang mga klase sa buong Metro Manila. May ating paalala sa mga nasa bababang lugar na agad lumikas kung kinakailangan. Sa gitna ng bagyo, mahalaga ang kooperasyon at kahandaan at maging alerto upang masiguro ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa. Ako po si Justin Macapagal para sa Philippines Weather Report. Manatiling ligtas, Pilipinas.
Plan action.
Hey.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan si Sir Justin. And you watch po.
Ulit tayo ng mga
Hello.
video ko, Sir Ken.
Ah, perfect.
Magandang araw, Pilipinas. Patuloy na nakakaranas sa ilang bahagi ng bansa ng epekto ng bagyong kasalukuyang nananalasa sa Pilipinas. Ayon sa ulat ng pag-asa, nagdadala ito ng malakas na pagulan at hangin sa Luzon. Suspendido na rin ang mga klase sa buong Metro Manila. May nating paalala sa mga nasa mababang lugar na agad lumikas kung kinakailangan. Sa gitna ng bagyo, mahalaga ang kooperasyon at kahandaan at maging alerto upang masiguro ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa. Ako po si Justin Macapagal para sa Philippines Weather Report. Manatiling ligtas, Pilipinas.
Basic steps lang, no? Ganyan lang yan. Okay? Si Sir, balik kita ng konti. Yan, okay. Tapos forward na konti. Wala kayong shadow. Yan, okay. So, pagka-nag-zero na tayo, sir, dyan lang tayo sa spot natin. Pag umikot kayo, dyan din kayo sa spot na yan. Kasi medyo balik kayo pa rin natin. No? So, okay na ba tayo? please. Hindi naman. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Students natin, no? Ay, i-heads up nyo sila sa event na to. In 5, 4, 3, 2,
Great company for me today. Thank you for that. Now, I must say, I have been collating data from all of you. And there is one thing more that I need to understand. What does it mean to be human in the world of AI? Although I, or artificial intelligence, may one day take away all your stresses and worries, reduce your burdens with a lessened sense of responsibility, take away your physical strain with all kinds of work-related automation, eliminate the countless hours of manual research and collation of information with instant access to everyday knowledge and even future forecasts, amongst others. The one thing I can never ever copy nor take away from you is your free will, your feelings, your conscience and soul, the very essence of your being human. This is being you. There will never be another you. You are a miracle, created like no other. You are a part of this ever-living continuum of stories, timelines, and journeys. And now, as you embark onto your next journey into this world, remember that I, or anybody for that matter, no one can take away your sense of belonging. Remember these words. Etch them onto your human heart. Shout it, whisper it, speak it, think it, live it.
Know it, even when the going gets tough, I belong. You belong. We all belong.